So I'm on the way. I'm going to change the scenery up a little bit today. I'm going to run at the park, or close to the park. It's more fun to change the scenery around, not run the same routes every single day. Kind of gets monotonous if you're running the same exact spot every single day. I like to change it up. Trail run around the city, run near the park. What is this person doing? Sometimes I wonder. It's like it's the first time people's ever seen snow, and we're in Ohio. It's crazy. Hopefully this iPhone is as waterproof as they say it is, because it's probably going to get wet as hard as it's snowing. The roads really aren't that slippery. I mean, I have four-wheel drive, so that helps, but they aren't icy. I think I'm going to be the only one outside running right now. I can say that. Look at the ducks. All right, let's get going. Quack, 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 quack. I'm hoping I don't slip and fall today. I actually slipped the other day when I was taking my dog on a walk, and it hurt my knee. So I can feel it a little bit. This is a good thing I wore my sunglasses, because I would not be able to see anything. Days like today, you really have to motivate yourself, because this isn't the most pleasant running conditions. You got to get up and you got to want it. I'm going to do 50 runs. And then after 50 runs, I'm going to do a before and after picture of what my body looks like. So keep following along if you want to see that. I know I'm pretty excited to see what the results are. It's a little cold, but I mean, it's beautiful. Look at this. What's your excuse? If I'm out here in this, there's no excuses. Come on, guys. Let's be better every day. My sunglasses are fogging up. I can't hardly see. But if I take them off, the sun's gonna be creaming me in the eyes, so I still won't be able to see. Or the sun. I meant the snow, not the sun. 1 mile, 8 minutes and 36 seconds. That's expected. It's slippery out here. I'm trying not to fall. We're going 1.5 miles today, baby. Look at my chest. The snow's starting to melt from me sweating. Coming up on my first hill of the vlog. This is the first hill I've ran. Here we go. All right. You know the best part about an uphill? You guessed it. There's always a downhill, baby. Let's go. Okay, I might fall. Short steps. Short steps. I guess I didn't think about the downhill being slippery when you're trying to stop or slow down. Okay, we made it. No falls yet. I don't want to speak too soon. The run's not quite over yet. 1.5 miles. Did it in 13 minutes and 4 seconds. Not the best, but for the conditions, I'm happy with it. I didn't fall, so that's also good. Hey guys, I'm going to keep continuing to making these vlogs better. Like and subscribe if you want to keep following along. Thank you.